Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve an error message you're coming across on Rainbow Six Siege. Error code 2-0x0000DOOA. Error during matchmaking. Contact support for additional information. And then it links you to support.ubisoft.com. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be open up a web browser, navigate to any web page, make sure you have an internet connection. If you do not have an internet connection, that's a different tutorial, different problem altogether. However, if you do have internet, I would suggest navigating over to an Ubisoft link I'm going to have in the description of my video. That'll actually link you to the server status page, in which it'll break down if there are any issues that are recently being detected here. Now, please keep in mind, if you're just now experiencing the issue, there's a chance that it takes a couple minutes to load up. So if you're just experiencing the issue, come back here a few minutes later if you're not seeing anything immediately, and see that then start showing that there is a disruption to the global status in here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.